Welcome, caring and sharing people, to Hidden Ingredients by Tina. Today we will be cooking off in preparation for the 4th of July celebration. And our menu item this year is banana pudding. But there's no need to turn to the box pudding. All ingredients can be found right here in the kitchen to make your vanilla pudding. So before we get started, let's hear from you how you make your banana pudding. All right, thank you to each of you for sharing your creative ways of how you make banana pudding. But today I'm going to share with you one hidden ingredient that would elevate your taste and make your 4th of July celebration a celebration to remember. So let's get started. First, we want to take 2 large eggs and 1 large egg yolk and add it to a mixing bowl. And if you experience, difficulties and trouble separating the egg yolk, you can always purchase this egg yolk separator from Walmart for as little as like $1.96. Very helpful. Okay. Now we will add 1/4 cup of cornstarch. Okay. And 1/3 cup of sugar. And 1/8 teaspoon of kosher salt. Okay. And now 1/2 cup of milk. And now what we will do is we will whisk this here together. I think that's a pretty good consistency there. And so now we're going to move on to adding a little heat. Okay, so now we're going to pour over 3 cups of milk. Okay, and 1/4 cup of sugar. And this is over medium to low heat. And we're just going to stir that around. You can use like a wooden spoon or like a spatula, whatever you're using. We're just making sure that nothing sticks, more so when we add in our mixture. We'll give it a few minutes again to bring it to a boil. Okay, now our milk has come to a nice boil. So what we're going to do is gradually pour over the milk into our mixture. And I say gradually because remember, we do have egg yolk over in the mixture. Okay, so we don't want scrambled eggs over in our mixture here. Perfect. So we'll let that sit for maybe a minute or so. And then we'll come back and add our final ingredients. Okay, so now we're going to pour over our mixture over into a pot here. Just make sure we get as much as possible over. Okay, and we'll stir that around there. And we have it like on medium to low heat. We will add our vanilla, and that is 2 teaspoons of vanilla. It's 1 and 2. Okay. Now I know that you're probably wondering, okay, hey, where is this hidden ingredient? I'm glad that you stayed with us. Our hidden ingredient for our banana pudding is cinnamon. Yes, don't you dare, do not hit that end button. You've been with us long enough. Yes, Cinnamon is our hidden ingredient. When you add vanilla and cinnamon together, it is a wonderful combination. I read online that when real estate agents, they would advise like homeowners to take cinnamon and vanilla and boil it so that when potential buyers come, that they will be impressed. So vanilla and cinnamon. So we're gonna just take 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon and add it there to our mixture there. And there you go. That's our hidden ingredient. And so we'll give it a nice stir there. And don't worry, you will get invited back, and this will be a request for your next 4th of July celebration. Now we're back, and our vanilla and cinnamon pudding has chilled in the refrigerator for approximately 30 minutes. As you can see here, looks good, and it certainly smells good. So now what we're going to do is add 1 cup, which is a can of condensed milk. And this also helps to elevate the sweetness, the taste, along with the cinnamon and the vanilla. And so we'll just add the condensed milk there. And this is optional. You don't have to add the condensed milk. And we'll give that a stir around there. And mix that well, that to the side. And now it's time to add our wafers to our bowl here. And we're just going to start here. Hopefully you can see, I'll move this up a little closer here. And we'll just line the bottom of the bowl. And I have, this is like a small little dish, this is, I'll say. And you may have a much larger dish that you may be using. Okay. And now what we will do is we will add some of the banana slices. Take that one, turn over there. And I'm not really a big lover of a lot of bananas. More so, I love a lot of cookies in my banana pudding, or should I say our vanilla cinnamon banana pudding. Okay, and now we will add some of our pudding here. Just gradually pour until we cover. Okay, and we'll add more cookies here. We will overlap, and it looks good. It smells good. And just overlap. And now we'll add a little bit more banana slices. So what do you think? Looks good? Okay. I'll make sure that we get a close-up shot of this dish for you. Something that you will be very proud of. And another one there. And we'll pour a little bit more of our vanilla cinnamon pudding. Okay, and now what we're going to do is just continue to repeat those steps, and then we will come back. Okay, here you have it. Our vanilla and our cinnamon banana pudding is ready, and it is ready to serve. And again, thank you for watching, and remember that sharing is caring, so please do not forget to like, subscribe, and share. And until next time, thank you for watching Hidden Ingredients by Tina.